Hello, my name is Tim Lahili, and in this video we're going to be discussing how to create a new account in Quincy Discovery. We're going to talk about creating an account and changing the account type. So let's hop straight into the tool and do just that. So we're at the login screen and we don't have a username or password, so it should be pretty obvious to go ahead and click Create Account. Let's do that. This is all old information, so I'm going to remove it. Your screen should look something like this. Let's create an account. First name new, last name account, and we'll do new test account. And then let's enter an email. We'll do new test at account.com. Now let me caution you here for a second. This must be a valid email because sometime after activation you'll get a confirmation email. And if you don't respond to that email, your account will be shut down, and then after a period of time, all the data removed. So since I don't want to see anyone lose data they don't want to lose, please enter a valid email. For password, I'm just going to do ABC123. If you want to see it, you can click there, and then go ahead and click Create, and it will create an account with new test account username. So let's see that work. And again, depending on your bandwidth or where you are in your computer speed, this could be logging in can be slow or it can be reasonably fast. The system is pretty good, so you can see it's pretty zippy to log us in. This is the user, the new test account user. It's going to load up our cases, of which we have none, but let's give it a second, and it will render these or at least attempt to render these graphics, but again, since there's no case data, there's nothing really to see. We want to come up here to this count section. We'll click on that and it will pull up the options available to us. You can see at the moment we have the free version, which has 0 users, obviously other than us, 2 cases and 2 gigabytes, and no sharing of cases. Let's go ahead and hop up to level 1. You can hop up to whatever level is appropriate for you. If you click custom, it will just give you a phone number to call a salesperson to try to figure out what you really need and what that will cost. But for right now, let's just click level 1. It will bring us to this page where we can enter our credit card information. I'm not going to do that for obvious reasons. I don't want to expose my credit card information. But once you do that and click subscribe, it will process for a second, then this bar will turn green, then you wait a few more seconds, for the page to refresh, and it will give you a big success message right up here. And this information will all be gone. And it will tell you to close the browser, that window, and wait 5 minutes. And when you do that, it will update your permissions. After that, you should be able to click here and see your new account settings, but a number of people have called and had issues with that, and it ends up being a cache issue. So if you don't see your new account settings, give it about 5 minutes and then refresh your cache and try again, and you should be good. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share for you in this video. Let me leave you with my contact information so you can call me or contact me if you have any questions. I'll give you a few seconds to copy it down, and then I will end the video. Thank you very much.